Hi and welcome to Sky Rock Under the Rock. 1574 Sky Rock is a wonderful home that has been well cared for and is turnkey ready. Wonderful curb appeal with an inviting front porch and new exterior paint. Great floor plan includes over 4,000 total square feet, a formal dining room or parlor, open kitchen family room concept with new barnwood fireplace, an expansive ceiling, and tons of light. The main floor bedroom and three-quarter bath offer multiple lifestyle options. Beautiful dark engineered wood flooring, white wide plank plantation shutters, as well as gourmet kitchen with double convection ovens, gas range, and a generous island and pantry. Upstairs you'll find a large master bedroom with tray ceiling, a 5-piece ensuite, and walk-in closet. There are 2 additional large bedrooms, a large secondary bath with a double sink and private tub, and commode. A nice loft provides additional flex space for a home, office, or den. Upstairs laundry is super convenient and includes the washer and dryer, a deep soaking sink, and tons of cabinetry. The unfinished basement is open and has 9-foot ceilings, a rough-in bath, and is just waiting for your imagination. Double water heaters and a double furnace. The backyard is zero-scaped for easy, low-cost maintenance and water consciousness, as well as a 2-year-old hot tub. 110 volt is easy on the pocketbook. Close in location within blocks to the hospital, restaurants, and shopping. The home is located in Castle Rock in a master-planned community called The Meadows, approximately 30 minutes from both Denver and Colorado Springs. To say Castle Rock is picturesque is an understatement. The Meadows offers its residents a variety of amenities, including the Grange and Taft pools and the Grange Cultural Arts Center. The Grange hosts many programs for all ages and has landmark events that come highly anticipated each year. The community is interconnected by 24 miles of trails and contains 1,100 acres of parks and land for public use. I invite you to call me today to schedule a tour of this amazing home and the community. Thanks for watching.